Over the past decade, the global military landscape has undergone drastic changes. Major powers' focus is now not solely on the quantity of defense equipment, but on the sophistication and effectiveness of their combat technology. Amid this global competition, China has emerged as an increasingly aggressive player in expanding its air and maritime capabilities. The arrival of the Shenyang J-35, a fifth-generation stealth fighter, is one of the most striking manifestations of this ambition. China positions the J-35 as a symbol of a technological leap, marking its transition from a catch-up to a game-changer. This jet not only strengthens the offensive and defensive capabilities of the Plan, but is strategically intended to provide a viable alternative to the dominance of Western fighter aircraft currently, led by the F-35 Lightning II. In a geopolitical context, the emergence of the J-35 sends a clear message. Beijing wants to demonstrate its ability to produce world-class stealth aircraft without relying on imported technology. This also confirms that the air power landscape in the Asia-Pacific region is entering a new phase of intense competition. The birth of the J-35 did not happen suddenly. It was the result of a long journey that began with the FC-31 Gyrfalcon prototype. Initially, the FC-31 was intended as a multi-role fighter for the export market, a strategic move to open up the international market for China's aerospace industry. However, as the need for fifth-generation stealth aircraft grew, the FC-31's design underwent a major transformation. China then discovered that the Gyrfalcon design had strong potential for development into a domestic operational military aircraft. Its relatively lightweight airframe, combined with modern aerodynamics and modular stealth design, made it a suitable fifth-generation platform, more flexible than the bulky J-20. This transformation demonstrates China's ability to adapt strategic needs to the evolution of its fighter design. They not only refined the avionics and stealth capabilities, but also strengthened the engine, adapted the structure for carrier landings, and optimized the internal weapons bay. These changes created what is now known as the J-35, or in some sources also called the J-35A for its land-based variant. The J-35's primary advantage lies in its stealth capabilities, believed to be on par with global fifth-generation aircraft. According to various analyses, this aircraft has a very low radar cross-section, RCS, allowing enemy radars to detect it only at very close range. This is achieved through the use of radar-absorbing materials, an angular design, and optimizations to the engine intakes and canopy. In addition to its stealth capabilities, the J-35 is also equipped with modern avionics, making it highly competitive. The latest generation Active Electronically Scanned Array (AESA) radar provides faster, longer-range detection capabilities while simultaneously tracking multiple targets. This AESA radar is also supported by optical and infrared sensor systems compatible with both close-range and long-range combat concepts. Furthermore, the J-35's cockpit system adopts a glass cockpit concept with a large multifunctional screen and a modern helmet-mounted display, HMD. This technology allows the pilot to lock onto a target simply by looking at it. High-speed data link integration also allows the J-35 to work alongside drones, other aircraft, and early warning systems, creating a highly adaptive integrated combat network. The J-35 carrier variant has become one of the most highly scrutinized aspects of the aircraft carrier. China now has ambitious ambitions to make aircraft carriers the centerpiece of its combat power, particularly with the arrival of the Type 003 Fujian equipped with the MALS system. The J-35, enhanced with folding wings, a structure for hard landings, and EML's compatibility, has become a vital element of China's maritime power projection strategy. The ability to take off using the EML system offers significant advantages. The jet can carry a full weapons load, a full fuel load, and fly over longer combat ranges. Thus, the J-35 will play a crucial role as the vanguard of China's aircraft carriers in operations in the South China Sea and the Western Pacific. Meanwhile, the land variant of the J-35A is designed as a versatile fighter jet that can fill the gap between the air dominance-oriented J-20 and the fourth-generation fighter fleet. The J-35A is believed to be the PLA's new backbone for offensive and defensive missions, including air combat, precision strikes, and stealth infiltration into enemy territory. The J-35A's dual role demonstrates China's efforts to develop a fifth-generation fighter that is more cost-effective, easy to mass-produce, and ready to become a long-term asset in its national air strategy. The arrival of the Shenyang J-35 marks a crucial milestone in China's efforts to expand the reach of its military power. With its stealth capabilities and carrier compatibility, the J-35 strengthens the anti-access area denial strategy that has long been a focus of the PLA. The jet also enhances China's ability to project power to regions farther from its mainland, a capability previously held only by the United States. Regionally, the J-35 could change the security dynamics in East and Southeast Asia. Countries such as Japan, South Korea, Australia, and the Philippines must now consider China's fifth-generation stealth aircraft as a new strategic factor in their military planning. Globally, the J-35 also opens up export opportunities for China, particularly to countries seeking more affordable fifth-generation aircraft. If successful, the J-35 would become not only an asset to China's power, but also an instrument of international influence in the defense market. The Shenyang J-35 is a crucial foundation for China's ambitions to establish future air dominance. With fifth-generation stealth capabilities and integration into modern combat networks, the J-35 is poised to work alongside escort drones, advanced radar systems, and China's newest aircraft carriers. Its presence marks a major step toward data-driven and artificial intelligence-driven air warfare. In addition to strengthening China's position in the Indo-Pacific region, the J-35 also serves as a stepping stone toward the development of sixth-generation fighter aircraft. Supported by continuously evolving technology, the J-35 will play a central role in China's air power projection in the coming decade, making it a key element in the global competition for air superiority.